Are you ready for this? Oh, look in there. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are going to make chicken cordon bleu. Okay, everybody thinks it's French. It's been around from around about 1940, 1947, somewhere around there. It's Swiss. Okay, now it's normally made with Swiss cheese. I'm going to use cheddar and mozzarella. I'm going to show you a quick way to make chicken cordon bleu. Let's show you how to do it right now. So I've got 2 chicken breasts, and I'll just cut one first and then show you. All we're going to do is we're going to make a slit in our chicken breast. Like that. And that's going to make a pocket inside our chicken breast, and that's the pocket that we're going to stuff. Now I did tell you this is a quick way. You know, the other way is butterfly the chicken out, smack it all down, roll it all up. Takes too long. So like I say, we're going to make this a real easy quick way. I've got some sliced ham, regular ham. You know, it's sandwich ham. It's not best quality ham. You want to take your cheese. So we're going to put a little bit of cheddar in mine. So we got that, and then we're going to go on the top of there with some mozzarella. So take your ham, make a sandwich with your ham and cheese like that. So you've got your cheese inside, so you can put in as much cheese as you want. Get your ham over the top. So now we've got 2 slices like that, and then roll over your ham. Take your ham, stuff your chicken breast. Take a skewer and skewer up your chicken breast. So we're basically sewing it up. So close it over, in there, sew up your chicken breast with your cocktail stick. So we're just basically holding it all together like that. It's very easy. Then we're going to do the other one. So that's the fiddly bit of the process, actually sticking that in there. Okay, and you've got all that in there, but we're going to pull all that out afterwards. We got some breadcrumbs. To the breadcrumbs, I'm going to add a pinch of thyme. Now, I give it a mix in. Now, I don't normally season breadcrumbs. I don't think it's worth it really. But for this recipe, we only want a little bit of thyme flavouring on the outside. So that's our breadcrumbs with a little bit of thyme in. So we're going to take our chicken breast and we're going to dump it in the flour. Then we're going to egg it. And then we're going to breadcrumb it. And we're going to take that out and we're going to put it on a plate. And we're going to do the other one. Chicken breast, flour, floured it all over, egg, breadcrumbs, out onto our plate. Oil in the pan. We don't want it too hot. We don't want everything melting. We do not want it brown. We do not want it over brown. It's got to go in the oven and cook. So what we're going to do, we are going in that pan with our chicken breast. Nice and gently. Only just fits. Then all we need to be doing is turning that up. Turn it up. Nice and gently. Just put a little bit of light browning on all those breadcrumbs, all the way around. So basically what we're doing, we're using the side of this little pan to hold up the chicken. Okay, flame off. From there to our pan. Straight in our pan. I mean, how good do they look? Now, I'm sure they're going to burst open when that cheese starts melting around inside, but that is going straight in our oven. In it goes. Now, the oven's preheated 200 degrees or 400 degrees F, and we're going to cook these for about 20 minutes. We might have to watch it. It could explode in there with the cheese expanding on the inside, or hopefully it'll stretch and shrink a little bit. We'll see. In there, 20 minutes gives us time to make a nice creamy mustard sauce. Okay, a bog standard mustard sauce. Butter in the pan. In with some flour. Give that a little bit of cooking in there. Splash of milk. A bit more milk. A little bit of black pepper. And we want to go in with some Dijon mustard. And just stir in a little bit of grated Parmesan. And that is our Dijon mustard sauce made. So it's going to have a slightly sour taste, as all Dijon mustard does have. But we've got the pepper in there as well. That should be absolutely superb. Just put to one side, put a lid on so it doesn't get a skin on. And then we'll serve it up over our chicken. Oh, 20 minutes, there we go. Now don't forget, your oven might take longer or less. So let's get that out of there. Oh, look at that. Oh, amazing. One of them has exploded just a little bit, but not too much. Just let them cool for about 5 or 6 minutes, and then we'll serve one up and have a see what it's like. Wow. Oh, they look superb. Oh, look at that. Are you ready for this? Oh. That is very hot, actually. Oh, that is a must try. That is unbelievably good. Oh, creamy. Cheesy, perfectly cooked, soft chicken. Look at the moisture in there, the moisture near the ham. That is superb. Crispy breadcrumbs on the outside. That is absolutely delicious. Now, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.